It's raining.
Here comes the rain.
Probably our biggest concern with when we were looking at things just here on the other day, back on Friday, is that as the atmosphere here is stable, warm front shifting northward. I'm going to sort of widen the radar view here out, let you get a look at what's going on across the whole area. But as the warm front was shifting northward, if you remember back to this morning, it was much cooler temps in the 60s. Now readings have pulled well up into the 70s, and there's a lot of shifting wind in the low levels of the atmosphere. So as this cell is sort of crossing out into that kicking shifting wind, that's why
there's a storm
we
coming.
have further tornado or thunderstorm as we pull farther here on into the western mountains. So once again, a tornado warning has been issued for the far northern part of Linn County.
There's the siren again.
And that is out till 5:15. So right now we roughly have
I wonder if that's it.
I do too. Well, look at that right there. It's dropped down.
Someone's coming up.
I bet that's it. Because it's sucking them up over there.
County by county schematic. Starting with Delaware and Linn County, tornado warning is.
There it is.
There's the tornado.
This afternoon, train spotters reporting tornado approximately
You gotta
5 miles
run,
west of Central
guys.
City, about 14 miles north of Sea Lion.
That's it.
Moving towards the
Sure
north,
is.
40 miles an hour.
Holy crap, that's the closest I've ever seen a tornado.
Chance for kind of some off and on
You
severe
gotta run, guys.
punches here as well. Also, if you look back
Trust
towards
mommy and daddy to
7:50,
know when to run, okay?
Buchanan County, a severe thunderstorm warning until 5:15. A
That's
lot of
it.
flood warnings as well. Numerous flood warnings throughout just about the entire city.
It's coming
Wow.
The darker green counties are flood warnings.
Oh, that's a whole
bunch! Towards the west, all the counties in yellow, which does include portions of Butler.
That is neat.
Grundy counties as well. A tornado watch stays in effect throughout the evening hours. There's 3D Doppler radar. Now you can see this area we're watching. It's a small portion of a large cell that's working its way through the viewing area. Basically, Central City working its way back up towards Delaware.
The
I'm gonna take out
birds
the
had to
telescope
run.
here and zoom it in for you. A couple of areas we're really going to watch closely, just south of that Central City area. Look at this almost
Wow.
a little notch. Kind of like if you were to look at a piece
That's
of wood,
neat.
that notch right there. It's going to tell us we've got some really strong winds in excess of 50 to 60 miles an hour.
We had
Now,
to
just with
run.
that, we're getting word of a new tornado watch that will replace
It's gonna miss us.
a good portion of our tornado watches.
Unless it turns and comes back.
I'll show you that graphic here coming up as we're getting kind of more data throughout the viewing area
It's
here.
turning.
Kind of keeping ourselves linked up with the National Weather Service as
See?
well.
It's turning.
With that in mind, I want to take our radar into storm track mode and let's show you kind of this area we're watching as the storm continues to move its way off towards the east, northeast at 35 to 40. Let's go ahead and track it for you, starting with that area that's just out south towards Central City, moving it off towards the east, northeast about 30 to 40 miles an hour. So Central City at 5:05. You folks need to start thinking about getting into your safe place, as well as portions of Monticello. You folks do the same as this continues to kind of work its way, just skirting across portions of Linn into Jones County as well as Delaware counties as well. Let's go and kind of take a look at our weather conditions. We'll show folks this whole day, this whole kind of part of
Aren't you
one
glad
big
you brought
system
in
that's
Chick
working its
Hicks
way
and
through
Mr.
the area.
McCain?
And this isn't by any means the end of it. This is just kind of beginning as we get.
Get to run.
go ahead.
All right, we're getting, we've got folks that are in the Linn County area. Can we get them on the phone, Kyle? If we can, let's do it. Because we're watching friends of ours, or I should say a couple of employees at the station, parents live in Coggin. They are seeing a tornado on the ground near that Coggin area. So there's the proof in the pudding right there, folks. Tornado warning for portions of Linn as well as Delaware. And we're hearing sirens here, and so if you're in Linn County, you're hearing the sirens go off. And see what happens. Again, it's
awesome.
all part of this system, and
Yes.
here we are at about
Yeah, and
5:03,
look
so a
at
good 12, 13 minutes left in this
We got
video.
great
Let's see
video
about
on
the
it.
radar. It's all part of
Yeah,
this
and
cell right here.
look at
Extending
that.
from Prairie to Sheen all the way back towards the south.
Tomato.
And it's
I
got a
know
lot of
it.
punch with it here.
Look at that storm.
That's the cell
And
we're
you
watching.
had to
Here's the
run.
area of
Okay, if I can
concern
figure out
where
how to
it's
do it, I
crossing
will.
its way from Linn into portions of it.